Okay, so for today's activity, you're just going to follow along with what I do. I'm going to give you some tips and show you a few things, and in the next video we'll show you some more of this. Okay, so the first thing you need to know how to do is select text. So the basic way you do this is you put the mouse pointer, see it looks like the letter I, it's called an I-beam, and then this black line over here that's blinking now is called the cursor. Okay, so to select something, you put your mouse at the beginning of it, you click and hold the button down and drag it. And then when you have it selected, you let go of the button. So you can select lots of things by doing this. But if you only need to select one word, you can just put your mouse on that word and double click, and that will select it. If you want to select a whole paragraph like this, you put your mouse anywhere in the paragraph and triple click 1, 2, 3, and it'll do the whole thing. Okay, so those are a couple little shortcuts you can do. Okay, so first we're going to start with selecting the word bold. We're going to bold the word, put it in bold text. Okay, so some little tricks on this is your toolbar. All of this right here. These are menus, and they have options on them. Okay, if the text is too small or you're having trouble selecting a small amount, you can go right here. See, when you roll across something on here, it says zoom, styles, font. So it tells you the name of the tool. So when I try to tell you to do something, I try to use the name of the tool for that. But you can click on this zoom tool, click the arrow down, and zoom in, and it won't zoom all of this stuff in. It'll just zoom in this part so you can see it better. So I'm going to leave it zoomed here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I selected the word bold. I just go up here to the toolbar and click bold. That's it. Next we go to, this is italics. It makes this little slanted letters. You go up to the toolbar and click the I. Underline. We're going to select underline. On the toolbar, we click the U. Okay, now on this one, you don't have to select it. This is where in the page you want your words to be. So this center means we want the words to be in the middle. So over here are these tools. Alignment. These are all alignment. This is left align, center align, right align, justify. We never use justify, so don't worry about that one. Okay, so for center, we're going to click center align. And that's it. Okay, so right align. So everything right now is left align, so it's lined up on the left side of the page. So right align is right here, and it's going to line it up on the right side of the page. And see, if I type more stuff, type more words, they go that way, and the end stays right there. On the center, if I type more words, it keeps everything in the center. See, so it moves both directions. Okay, this next tools are, we'll come back to this word up here in a little bit, header. Okay, the next tool says number. We're going to select both of those lines. So you can start at the beginning and go to the end. Sometimes it's easier to click at the end and go backwards to select. Okay, on the toolbar, you have this called numbered list, and it has a 1, 2, 3, and 3 lines. A lot of times the tools look like what you're trying to do. And all you do is select those and click it, and it automatically numbers for you. Bullet is the same thing. We're going to select both words and click bulleted list. Okay, and that just puts dots. What's cool here is you can change the style of your dots by clicking this little down arrow. You can make them into different kinds of things. On the numbered list, you can do some slightly different types of numbering, but for this class, this is all you need to know how to do. Okay, next we're going to go to font change. Okay, we're going to select this. So fonts are the style of your letters. So that is right here, font. See, it says font. Right now it says Arial. We're just going to click that down, and you can pick any font you want to. I'm going to choose Lobster. And it changes your font. Font size is how big your letters are. So we select that. And right here is the size. It's 11 right now. We're going to change it. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Don't go too big, though, on this assignment because it will make things really weird later. Okay, text color. Text color is the color the letters are. Okay, the actual letters. And that's right next to underline. It says text color. It has an A and it has a bar under it. You click that and you change to any color you want. I like purple. Okay, so now my letters are purple. And see that while I'm selected, the bar is purple, but when I go down here, that little bar is black, so it shows you which color. And if I open it up again, it has a check mark on the right color. Okay, now highlight. I'm going to select that. Highlight is just like using a highlighter on your paper. Okay, so this is the highlight tool. It looks like a little marker. And we click a color. And when I click off of it, see, it's highlighted. So these are two different things. Okay. Now we're going to do the last tool for the toolbar right now. Okay. We're going to do line spacing. Now, a lot of times you're supposed to double space things when you're typing. So we're going to select all three of these lines so you can see what that does. So we're going to look for the line spacing tool. It's this one right here. See the up and down arrow with the lines next to it? That means it spreads the lines apart, how much they're spread apart. Right now, they're 1.5. Single puts them closer together, but double is what we want to do. So see, there's like, see how this fits, and there could be a whole nother line in here. That's how you double space. Okay, so that's the end of this first video. Stay tuned for the next video when I can figure out how to stop this one.